Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the Space Echo so it responds predictably. Plug it into the correct mains, set input and output wiring, and choose a conservative echo level to avoid feedback. Once the unit is powered, dial repeat rate low and intensity moderate so tape modulation stays musical. Make sure signal routing from instrument or mixer is clean. Noisy inputs will mask the delay. This gets you into the operational range quickly, while keeping headroom and tape health in mind. Now you sculpt the echo itself. Set repeat rate for the desired tempo and test with a rhythmic signal so delays sync naturally. Once done, balance echo level against the dry signal. Lean toward 30 to 50% wet for clarity. Use intensity to introduce tape wow and flutter, and tweak tone to cut or warm the repeats because those controls define character. If you want longer ambience, gradually increase repeat rate while monitoring for runaway feedback and loss of definition. Finish by integrating the Space Echo into your signal chain. Set send/return levels on the mixer so the effect sits in the mix without clipping. Once done, audition in context and make small tweaks to tone and repeat rate for musical placement. If you encounter noise, drop echo level and clean heads. Tape wear or a dirty pinch roller causes excessive flutter and hiss. And if delays drift, recheck repeat rate synchronization or use an external tap/clock source to lock timing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.